Hi everyone! It's 6:55 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 12:55 ng gabi, guys. And today, guys, ito ang niluto kong ulam, Jonas Chicken Inasal. So, ayun, guys. Ang sarap nito, guys. Parang maparami na naman ang kain ko nito, guys. And of course, guys, kapag ganyan, meron tayong pasawsawan with sili. And now, guys, sobrang aga pa di. Ay, hindi sobrang aga, guys. Sobrang liwanag pa talaga, guys. Look, guys, oh. Napakaliwanag pa, guys. Kasi pag spring na, guys, papunta na ng summer. So, ano yan siya, guys, magdilim mga 9 to 9:30 na ng gabi. So, eto, guys, ang aming ulam for today. Kain tayo, guys. Ang sarap. And of course, guys, kapag ganito ang ulam, of course, rice is life. So, kain tayo, guys. Napakasarap ni chicken inasal. Babush!